Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial series. In today's video, I will guide you through how to set up routine file deletion and backup scheduling for your SFTP environment on RHEL8 and RHEL9. Once your SFTP server is running, you may need an automated way to clean out old files or perform regular backups to keep your storage organized and prevent unnecessary space usage. Let's get started. Username is root. Password. Open your terminal. Okay. Type command IPA. Your local IP address is 314.129. Okay. Now, sure your files is clear. Now, cd slash okay, cd slash SFTP slash user1 slash files. Okay, type command pwd. Okay, now we need to modify the directory. Okay, open new Windows. Sorry. Okay. Now, remember the directory, okay? Now, step 1, create an automatic script. cd slash, okay, mkdir slash auto dash rm. Okay, cd auto dash rm. Okay, now touch user1 dash rm.ssh. Okay, now assign the execute permissions. Type command chmod 755, or maybe you can x. Alright, 755 user1 dash rm.sh. Okay, error. Okay, it's right. Okay, now step 3, write the clean out script win user1 dash rm.sh. Now copy the context, paste. Okay, now modify the lines. Okay, slash SFTP user1 slash files. Okay, escape colon wq. Okay, now and system. Oh, sorry. Here, you can modify the days every day. Every 7 days you can delete your files. Okay, here. Okay. Okay, now check the cron service status. System cron status croned. Okay, active. Now step 3. Configure system cron job. Now cd/etc/croned.d. Okay, now touch auto-rm bin auto-rm auto-rm. Okay, copy the context, paste. Okay, please modify the name is user1 -rm. Okay, paste escape :wq. Right. Okay. Great job. You have just learned how to configure routine files, clean out and backup scheduling for your SFTP on RHEL8 and RHEL9. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Linux tutorial series. See you next time.